Do the question. Alright, this is January 2018. Question number 4a. Alright, this says L, the line L is, sorry guys, please focus. 3x minus 4y is equal to 5. So this is the line L. What do they ask us to do first?
Write the equation.
So they're asking us to write the equation in the form y is equal to mx plus c. In that format, I need to have what? Y by itself on? I need to have y by itself on? One side. So I'm going to have what? Minus 4y is equal to minus 3x plus 5. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Negative what? Sorry, positive 3x comes over and become what? Next, I'm going to divide the entire equation by minus 4. Negative divided by negative is a positive, and negative divided by negative is a
Positive.
So this is 3 over 4x. A positive divided by a negative is a what?
Negative.
Minus 5 over 4. That is the first thing to do. Write the equation in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Did you do that?
Yes, sir.
Next, they ask hence determine the gradient of L. So this is I. This is I. No, I. The gradient m of L is equal to what?
3.
Help me now, please. Once it's in the form y is equal to what? Mx plus c. M, the number in front of x, is the gradient. So this is what? Y is equal to mx plus c. The number in front of x is what? 3/4. So m, the gradient, is equal to 3 over 4. Did you get that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
3. The point R, which is what? Sorry, the point R2 is on the line L. Determine the value of R. What did y'all get for R? What did y'all get for R? Silence. What did you get for R? Silence. This is Y is equal to 3 over 4x minus 5 over 4. The point that lies on the line is what? R and what? 2. This is x and this is y. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Put them in the equation and solve the equation. What is y?
2.
2 is equal to 3 over 4 times x. What is x? What is x? Minus 5 over 4. 2 over 1 is equal to 3r minus 5 over 4. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree? Look at it now and tell me if you agree. 3 times r is what?
3R.
Alright, the LCM is what?
4.
4 into 4. 1 times 3r. 4 into 4. 1 times 5.
5.
If I have one fraction is equal to one fraction, what do I do? So this is 3r minus 5 is equal to 2 times 4. Positive 5 goes over and become?
Negative.
Sorry, negative 5 goes over and become? So now we have what? 3r is equal to 8 plus 5. 3r is equal to 13. What is the last step?
Divide by 3.
Divide both sides by
Coefficient of
3. R is equal to 13 over 3. Or if you want, 4 and 2 over 3. 4 and 2/3. Is it 2/3 or 1/3? 4 and 1/3. 4 and 1/3. The thing should not be difficult. R what? R2. R is x and what? Y is 2. Put them in the equation and work to find the value of what? R. I've shown you how to do this already after time short. Next, we're asked now to find the equation of the straight line passing through 6, 0, which is perpendicular to L. So now we need the equation of a line. So this is the line perpendicular to L. The word perpendicular means at right angles to, and it's passing through the point 6 what? 0. 6, 0. Alright. Now, what is the gradient of L? Help me.
3/4.
What is the gradient of L?
3/4.
What would be the gradient of a line perpendicular to L? Talk to me.
-4/3.
So M is equal to -4/3. Now, one point on the line is what? 6, 0. This is going to be my x naught and my what? Y naught. Now, when I do this, I teach this differently from Mr. what? Brown student and Mr. Gale's student. So I'm going to have to do it both ways. First, the way I teach my students. If someone, the equation for, the formula for finding the equation of a line is y is equal to m into x minus x naught plus y naught. That's the formula. Now, the input for this formula is what? M and what? X naught, Y naught. The input for the formula is what? The input is what? M and what? X naught, Y naught. Where M is the gradient of the line and X naught, Y naught is the coordinate of any point on the line. The examiner told us that the line passed through what? 6, 0. So one point on the line is 6, 0. Stay with me. So Y is equal to M. What is M?
-4/3.
Into what? X minus X naught. What is X naught?
6.
Plus Y naught. What is Y naught?
0.
0. Well, next I'm going to remove the brackets by applying what? So Y is equal to what? -4/3x. A negative times a negative is a what?
Positive.
4/3 times what? 6. Plus what over the end?
0.
This is Y -4/3x. 3 to this 1, 3 to this is 2. 2 times 4 is what?
8.
8 plus 0 is what?
0.
8 plus 0 is what?
8.
Ladies and gentlemen, Y, this is the equation of the line. This is the equation of the line that is perpendicular to L that passes through the point 6, 0. This is the equation of the line that is perpendicular to L and passes through the point 6, 0. Now, how would Mr. Gale and Mr. Brown students do the same question? Line perpendicular to L, line perpendicular to L through 6, 0. Alright, now for you to find the equation of any line, you need two things. So this is for my student, for Mr. Brown and Mr. Gale's student now. For you to find the equation of a line, you need two things. You need M, the gradient, and you need C, the y-intercept. A straight line is defined by two things. By the gradient M and C, the y-intercept. M we already know. What is M? M of this line, M, for this line, is what? -4/3. So I found M, now I need to find what? C. In order for you to find C, you need 1 point on the line. 1 point on the line is what? Is 6, 0. This is my x and this is y. Now, I'm going to use y is equal to mx plus c. Why am I doing that? I said to you, in order for you to what? In order for you to determine the equation of a line, you need two things. You need m and you need c. We already know m, what we need now to find is what?
C.
To find c, you need what? 1 point on the line. Let's put in this information in here to find c. What is y?
0.
0. What is m?
Minus 4 over 3.
Times x. What is x?
6.
What we don't know?
C.
C. Listen to this one. Listen to this is 2. 0. Minus 4 times 2. Minus 8 plus c. I need c. Negative 8 come over and become what?
Positive.
So c, 8 is equal to c. C is equal to 8. The equation of a line is y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to m. What is m?
Minus 4 over 3.
Minus 4 over 3x plus c. What is c? 8. This is the equation of the line. Do it the way I teach my students. Do it the way Mr. Brown teaches his students. The solution is going to be the same. The equation of the line perpendicular to L that passes through the point 6, 0 is the line y is equal to minus 4 over 3x plus 8.